So we're still on example number 2, but this time I'm going to solve this in different way. Okay, and this is method number 2. Mapapansin yung ginawa natin doon sa method number 1 in solving this problem, gumawa pa tayo ng function a in terms of one variable. And it so happens, ang ginamit natin, a is a function of r. In this method, hindi na tayo magka-come up pa into formula consisting of one independent variable with respect to the surface area. Okay? So, diretso na. What I'm going to do is, hindi na to. So, I'm going to get the derivative of this function with respect to r. Okay? So, with respect to r. So, I'm going to determine dA over dr. So, factor out, this is with respect to r. So, 2 times 2 pi, that is 4 pi r. Remember, pi is also constant. And then, factor out natin si 2 pi. This is product rule kasi dalawang variable yan. So, r times derivative ni h with respect to r plus h derivative ni r is 1. Yeah. So we have 4 pi r plus 2 pi r dh over dr plus h. Okay? So this is your dA over dr. Now, ayan na. 2 pi times h. Okay. So 2 pi h. Yan. So, meron pa tayo dito ang first derivative of the variable h with respect to r. So, kailangan mawala to. Okay? So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get the derivative of the formula of the volume with respect to r also. Okay? So, we have b equals pi r squared h. So, remember yung ating volume is fixed, meaning constant. So, kukunin ko yung derivative both sides with respect to r. Ganun ginawa ko doon. So, derivative of the volume, which is constant, that is 0. Okay? Then, ilabas ko yung pi, constant siya, r squared derivative of h. So, r squared derivative ng h with respect to r plus h derivative ng r squared is 2r. Okay? Wag na. Divide ko na lang both sides by h. Tanggal na yung h. So, 0 r squared dh over dr plus 2rh. Okay? Solve natin si dh over dr at yun ang isa-substitute natin dito. So, transpose to 2rh and we have negative 2rh equal to r squared dh over dr and dividing both sides by r squared. So, we have dh over dr is equal to, cancel to, that is negative 2h over r. Okay? So, yun yung isa-substitute natin dito. Isa-substitute natin, ha? Yan. Substitute dh over dr. Again, to determine the maximum or minimum of the function, we equate this to 0. 0, we have 4 pi r plus 2 pi r. dh over dr is negative 2h over r. Pagsamahin ko na, hindi pala. So, plus 2 pi h. Now, okay, so we have, factor ko yung 2 pi. 2 pi. So, matitira dito yung r. Cancel na to. Kaya malilit tayo. Wag muna. 0 equals 4 pi r. Cancel yung r. This is negative 4 pi h plus 2 pi h. Okay. Pwede natin itong pag-subtract. So, we have 0 equals 4 pi r. That is minus 2 pi h. Okay. transpose 2 pi h, we have 2 pi h equal to 4 pi r. Then divide both by 2 pi. So canceling 2 pi. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have h equals 2r. So we got the same answer. Okay? Kung saan kayo nadadalian, method 1 or method 2, pwede nyo gawin. Okay? So that is example number 2 using method number 2. Thank you.